Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. You give me security, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're so loyal that I never have to wonder. You give me all that I need, yeah, 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 yeah. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I haven't talked to y'all in so long. Like, it's been like a year and a half since I finally did YouTube. Y'all, it's been so long, I don't even remember my freaking intro. Today is gonna be a little maintenance vlog, so just come along for the ride. I might vlog a little bit of me being at work. It's not gonna be much to show.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us.
Trying to just get it done because the longer that I spend recording, the longer the pasta gonna be, and I have somewhere to be all day tomorrow from like 8 to 10 p.m. I have to go get my nails done, so I'm gonna vlog that for sure. And my mom is about to cornrow the top of my head, so I might record like a little snippet of that. So I didn't even end up getting my nails done last night, only because I didn't even stop getting my hair done until about 12 o'clock last night. Ooh, so now I'm gonna take down the curls. Hopefully this comes out correctly, because honestly I don't got time for the foolishness. Oh, okay. It kind of curled up weird, but it's okay.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like music over. She gets down just like music over. She's not holding shots, so that dish bag, wash your blow, back it's away. When she gets away, she gets away.
Oh wait, can we even say talk, y'all?
Yeah, cool. Y'all think I'm so bad at vlogging now? Only because like I haven't did this in so long, and I got tattoos and stuff, y'all. So like, it's just so much that y'all missed out on. And yeah, I'm at work by myself. The girl that I work with comes in at 5 o'clock, and it's like 4:30, 4:24ish right now. So yeah, there's that. Y'all, I'm really just come to work and play crossword. I mean, what is it? It's not called crossword. It's called word search. Like, I would like to stay at work all day, every day on the work iPad playing word search. Okay, it's connected to the speaker, so we're gonna turn that off. But yeah, I think I'm on like level 80 now. I play this game so much. It's crazy. Or I be in here watching Netflix. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all. My hair is so tea. Like, I cannot get over how tea it is. Like, not to be played with. The only thing that's gonna throw me off is when my hair uncurl itself. And then when this started getting all tangled up, so then I start taking it out. That's when I'm gonna get irritated. But yeah, I'm on level 78. Like, I don't really have to be able all day. Look at my work everyone. Like, I'm not coming to work so chill. And I just be relaxing most of the time. Like, I don't be doing nothing.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my heart. Yeah. You playing with my heart. Yeah.
Y'all, honestly, I don't even know where this vlog is even going. Like, I'm just really vlog it every chance I get.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but and go home. I've been in this love too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know.
What's up, YouTube? I can't move this cord because I don't think it's gonna stay. Anyways, I have no idea where this vlog has even gone at this point. Like, this vlog is so unorganized. It's literally random days in my life, like random little things that I decided to record when I got the chance to record, literally. But my room looks good from up here, but down here, boy, it's not looking too good. So, oh my god, I can't talk. But anyways, I'm about to clean my room up, fold my clothes, because I decided that I wanted to wash clothes, leave them all in this bag, and then go outside for 2 days. So then I have to come back and put these, just come back and put these clothes away. Of course, like nobody else but me does this. So there's gonna be time lapsed, but come along for the ride.
Yeah, if this is what you want, can you make a promise? Yeah, so in love, I can see it in your eyes. How you chop it up, about me to your guys. I made you a bed for you to sleep all night. I hope in return you can save for life. I crave your ways, it's beyond my mind. And baby, if we do it right, then it can be so good. So taking a chance to get it right. I wanna sit tall until I die. So good. Laying down all my heart for you. Loving you is all I wanna live for. Live for. Live for. Is it about that? I don't see nobody else. Them niggas well, I don't wish them well. See if you can't tell. See the top end of my lips, I kiss it and I said, I made you a bed for you to sleep tonight. From the day that I saw you on this life, I trade the things of the world for you anytime. Cause I know we'll do it right and it's gonna be so good.